Hello, I'm Erich Fisher, Principal Investigator of the P5 Project and a research scientist with the Institute of Human Origins at Arizona State University. P5 is an international and multidisciplinary research project studying the origins and development of coastal foraging and the impact that these resources may have had on the evolution of modern humans. Our research is funded by the U.S. National Science Foundation and the John Templeton Foundation. My team and I are encamped in a remote location in eastern Pondoland, in South Africa's Eastern Cape Province. We are here because this area uniquely has one of the narrowest continental shelves across southern Africa. The shelf is less than 10 kilometers wide, and that means that during the height of glacial periods, when sea levels were at their lowest, the coastline would have still been within daily walking distance from each of our archaeological sites. Not much is known about how people used coastal resources during glacial periods, and so our goal is to find archaeological deposits that will allow us to develop long and continuous sequences of coastal foraging, spanning both glacial and interglacial periods. This season, we are test excavating 4 different archaeological sites over 4 weeks. In addition to the archaeological work, we are also conducting a range of other activities. For example, our plant vitalist specialist, Irene Esteban, is collecting samples of modern soils across the landscape in order to characterize the modern vegetation so that we can better understand our archaeological pollen and phytolith assemblages. Our project geologist, Dr. Haley Cawthron, has also been ranging far and wide on the landscape. Haley has been focusing on the coastlines across our study area, and she is searching for cemented dune deposits known as aeolianites that would allow us to interpret past sea level fluctuations across this area. To date, we have tested 2 of our archaeological sites. The first site is called A2 Southeast 1, and it is located at the famous Waterfall Bluff, where the Blabamkulu River falls into the Indian Ocean. Here at this site, we have found stratified archaeological deposits with abundant shellfish, stone artifacts, and terrestrial mammal remains. We now think there may be as much as 3 meters of archaeological deposits at Waterfall Bluff, and more tantalizingly, we also think that we may have found some deposits that date to a time frame that is key to answering some of our research questions. We have also tested a rock shelter on the Mkwene River, which we call A3 Northwest 8. This rock shelter is notable for the unique rock art on the shelter walls, and we even found evidence of pigment processing on the shelter floor. Yet our excavations have showed that these sediments were surprisingly archaeologically sterile. However, we are unfazed. We have faced brutal winds, sheeting rain, ticks, black and green mambas, and we have had to transport all of our research equipment and excavated sediments to and from our sites on our backs. Yet we are happy and optimistic, and in 2 days' time we will move north to the Mkambati Nature Reserve, where we will test 2 more sites, each providing unique challenges and opportunities for our research. We will keep you all updated on our progress and findings. So until then, this is Erich Fisher with the P5 Project in Pondoland, wishing you all happy digging.